Hey guys, and welcome to the new episode of Full Throttle. Today we will do one of the most anticipated drag races on our channel. We have the BMW M5 Competition against the Mercedes E63 AMG S. We will do a drag race, a rolling race, and we will see which one of these cars sounds better. The BMW M5 Competition used a 4.4-liter V8 petrol engine with 625 horsepower. The last race against the GTR, the car had winter tires and it was very cold. Now we have summer tires and the weather is much better, so it's very interesting to see if we're going to get faster times. On the other hand, we have the Mercedes E63 AMG. The car used a 4.0-liter V8 petrol engine with 612 horsepower, but here we have 850 Nm of torque, which is way higher than what we have in the BMW M5. This car also has summer tires, so it will be very interesting to see just who will be the king of the German super saloons. And now let's check out who's going to win in the rolling race. It's going to start from 30 miles per hour all the way to 120. Those were the results of the drag race, and we did each run multiple times to make sure that we have the correct results. I just want to say that both cars are completely stock and there have been no modifications on each of them. And now let's check out this race box, which will show us exactly what times we did with the Mercedes E63 AMG. We got this device from our friends from Racebox, which have been very kind to provide it to us. Now the Mercedes did the 0 to 60 time in 3.25 seconds, it did the quarter mile in 11.2 seconds, and it did the 100 to 200 kilometers in 8.10 seconds. But no matter how impressive the times of the Mercedes are, the BMW M5 was just faster. We have 0 to 60 in 2.94 seconds, which is under 3 seconds, which is absolutely crazy for such a big and luxurious car. We have a quarter mile in 10.76 seconds, which is under 11 seconds, which is also an amazing time. And we have 100 to 200 kilometers in 6.92 seconds.